Go ahead and put this alternator in here. So, lubricate up the hole here a little bit. Try to get this thing to slide in there halfway decently. Come on, give me some goop. See how hard these new ones are. Alright, basically I get to start on the hole. Gotta kind of work the wiring around a little bit. Use a big screwdriver. Push right here in the back so you're supposed to push. Get that nice sharp edge right there, you don't want to be digging into though. Yeah, nice case, barely moves. Now, like you can leverage off of here, but don't get in the windings. Yeah, I don't think that's going to go in there very easily. Nope.
It's right there.
Water keeps sliding. Alright, what's going on here? My guess is that edge, it feels like a big burr there, is probably why it's not going in. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and we got to deburr this edge right here a little bit. So see how it's got a chamfer the outside by looking inside. A couple different deburring tools here. See if anything really gets in here. Not really. Use this old style job. Okay. Knocks off some of that. All right. Let's see if that works better than before. It didn't work at all before. Already an improvement. See the difference?
Yes.
Okay, hold that right there. Okay. Some noisy ass fucking Harleys going on. There'll be a law against them.
There it goes.
It's protesting. Nobody said it was going to be easy, did they? Shearing off the material as it goes in the hole. This is definitely one that's fighting. The trick is not to cut through the rubber when the screwdriver is pushing. Keep working on it.
I don't think we need any sealer on there.
Yeah. I don't know, it might make it slip easier, who knows? I don't think it's going to leak though. Getting there. See it pop out every time I pull on it over here. Each time I do it, it goes up a little further, see? Just going to keep working at it. Got about another 1/16 of an inch. You don't want to push right here where the wire is because you can open that area up or short it.
Did you grab the butt?
You can't grab that because there's nothing to grab a hold of. You just screw it all up. It's about the only thing to do is right here. Just gotta keep on it. Right now to the point where I gotta push a little bit further right there. Okay. It's right close to where we can put it just in here, but I think we need to go a little bit more. Yep. It wants to go further. Curved tool. Oop. There it goes. Broke that off though.
What was that on?
Yeah, it's one of these retainer things.
Oh.
What the hell is that supposed to do? It's supposed to keep the wire down. There's something new they put in these new Harley ones. Yeah, didn't need it anyway. Okay, so now we got room to put this thing in here. It goes right in there. Drop it a couple times helps. This case hasn't been tapped yet, so that means we gotta cut threads with these screws, which will be another pain in the butt. So you gotta kind of push really hard and screw them all in there. That's where used motors are a little bit easier to work on. If you don't go in deep enough, the rotor here, down here, down, this here will eat up the damn plug over here. So you gotta be careful. If you tighten these up too much, you snap the screws off. So. Which one we got? A ways to go yet. Yeah, where's my hand out? Pull that out. Problem with a new case, you can start all this stuff. It's a bitch when you're the first one using anything. A little oil on the tip of it. See if it's usually going like that. See how easy it is? Being new.
Your screws would probably be nice too.
Screws weren't really the problem. Just Harley doesn't thread the case there. It's a self. You're tapping a thread with a screw that's not made to be a self-tapping screw. That's the problem. But, oh well. Oil on there helps a lot. Yeah, it should be enough this time. Let's get some light down here I can see. Hold that up there for me. oil getting out of that. I think it's all the way in anyway. It's not going any deeper. Maybe that's why it's getting so tight at the end. It's tight. Okay. One way to warm up a winter day. Okay. Now, I need some light duty Loctite. These are number 10 screws, so you don't want to use heavy Loctite. So this is for small fasteners under a 1/4 inch. It's purple. Alright, nice rotation until you find the hole. See the hole right there. Get those started. Factory torque. Yeah, tight. Those are tight. Alright, that's on. You want to make sure it's all even all the way around here. Otherwise, if there's something behind it binding up. Every now and then you get a case that's not made right and it hits. Okay. Alright, here's our inner washer. Should be 332 if it's the right one. Which is 90 thousandths. Yeah, 96, close enough. Okay, run the alternators that don't have a lip, or whatever you want to call it, the spacer part built in. It takes these individual washers. So you got a large diameter one that's about that big around. That's a like 5/16 thick, as I recall. They go on the outside, and the 3/32 thick one, the 90 wall. This one goes on the inside. It goes like that. Just don't put your fingers back in here, it'll pinch the hell out of them when it goes in right.
Like that.
Well, I didn't get my fingers. Well, I kept them out of the way.
And it goes in right.
Yeah,
Like that.
It's got some spring tension on there, see? Alright, so you got your thick spacer on here, that goes on, then your compensator, and you're not. You didn't bring the big washer with you. It's probably with a bike. Okay. And you got enough of this hanging out here, you can put your plug out here. That's what you just want to make sure that sticks out enough. So that's how those are. It's only broke a piece of crap. I remember on the 108 motor we're going to have to do the same thing. Maybe we'll deburr first. Alright, now we get these oil lines here. They already got dirt in them and everything. What is that? That's some nice stuff to be in your oil system.
Oh no, that was, that's from the box.
That's from some sealer glue crap.
That's from the box I've been sitting in.
Wow. See, I can tell you didn't work on these yet. The rubber still look like crap. There. See, that's a used rubber, see? Kind of used rubber in the new bike. See, maybe your screwdriver knocked that out, see?
Put more in there.
Look at that. And you wanted to get rid of that gasket, so. Some nice pretty blue ones in there or something?